So every year on the 9th of June, something amazing happens. I turn 1 year older, and we had something fun planned today that I've never done but I've always wanted to try, which is the Haenyeo experience here in Jeju. And for those who don't know, Jeju is famous for women who freedive in search of seafood. Now, I wasn't allowed to bring my phone or a camera with me, but the instructors were taking plenty of pictures of us, so here are some of those pictures. And this wasn't some full-on throw you in the deep end type of the experience. It was fairly relaxed and aimed at having fun over getting a full Haenyeo experience. And that was okay because it only really cost about $40 per person. Now, since we were in shallow water, there wasn't plentiful pickings, but our group did manage to find a couple octopuses, which did mean afterwards we're able to enjoy some spicy seafood ramen with our freshly caught octopus, which was all included in the price.
Oh, it's like a little salty too.
There was also this wheel that we spun to win prizes. I manifested a free t-shirt, and guess what? I won a frickin' free t-shirt. Best birthday so far. Dinner that night was at this sushi restaurant on the west side of the island that we had to go to after seeing this thing. I lost count of how many different types of sushi and sashimi there were on this, but everything was delicious and it was surprisingly affordable. And then my friend surprised me with one of the best cakes made by a local cake shop here in Jeju.
Oh my god, I fucking love it.
Along with this adorable candle topper. And to be honest, after a couple years of COVID birthdays, there's no other way I would have rather spent this day.